Simply put, strategic decision making is the ability to read a situation, make up your mind about what you will do and why, and even move into action. And to state the obvious, in any situation, you have to be clear on what you're solving for. What's your objective function, if you wish? What are your constraints? And what's the approach of addressing the multiple objectives that businesses typically have? Philosophically, swinging for the fences and going for high risk, high reward has a different feel than minimizing downsides, right? And while there is no one right decision-making process, there are some clear principles for what good looks like. And I'd like to highlight 5 attributes. And of course, as any self-respecting strategist would do, I have a nifty framework for that. I call it the ideal decision-making process. And as you may guess, ideal is a quick mnemonic that stands for insights-driven, deliberate, explicit, adaptive, and leading to action. And insights-driven means that you use facts and evidence to consider implications and actionable solutions. So you ground it in facts. Deliberate does not mean you're slow, but it means that you're intentional and systematic. You're taking a big picture, holistic view, and you are thinking of system-level trade-offs. Explicit means that you're clearly articulating objectives, approach, and logic so that it is easier to debate and align around solutions. It means surfacing unstated assumptions, clarifying ambiguous language, shedding light on kind of sloppy thinking, if you wish. Then adaptive, and probably the one we should highlight the most, simply means that each situation requires a different approach, and that the strategic decision-making process by nature is messy. It's non-linear, it is iterative, because it addresses a messy reality with many moving parts that are affecting each other and with many factors that shape the context. And finally, to complete my ideal, leading to action recognizes that decision making only matters if people actually do something with these decisions. So you need pragmatic, actionable plans, you need to create buy-in, and you need to put plans in motion.